Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to automatically move emails to a folder in Gmail. This is incredibly useful for keeping your inbox organized without having to manually sort through every message that comes in. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to Gmail by typing mail.google.com into the address bar. Once you're there, sign into your Gmail account if you haven't already. You'll need to be logged in to access the filter settings we're about to configure. Now, take a look at the top of your Gmail inbox where you'll see the search bar. This is where we'll begin setting up your automatic email sorting. On the right side of that search bar, you'll notice a small icon that says Show Search Options. Go ahead and click on it. This opens up a detailed search window that gives you much more control over finding specific emails. In the search window that appears, you'll see several fields where you can define your criteria. For example, in the subject field, type something like monthly consumption, then move down to the field labeled Has the Words and type billing. This second field searches the body of your emails for that specific term, which helps narrow down your results even further. Once you've entered your criteria, click the search button at the bottom of the window. This lets you preview all the emails that match what you've specified. Take a moment to review these results and make sure they're what you're looking for before moving forward. If everything looks correct, you're ready to create the filter. Click Create Filter at the bottom right of the search window. This is where the magic happens. You'll now see a list of actions you can apply to emails matching your criteria. For instance, tick the box next to Apply the label and either choose an existing label or create a new one, like monthly reports. This label acts like a folder, organizing your emails automatically. Here's a helpful tip. If you want this filter to also apply to emails you've already received, check the box that says Also Apply Filter to Matching Conversations. This ensures past emails get sorted too. Finally, click Create Filter to save everything. From this point forward, any email that comes in with monthly consumption in the subject line and the word billing in the body will automatically be labeled and organized without you lifting a finger. Thanks for watching.